Hello everyone, welcome to our botany class. So in today's botany class, we are going to discuss a new topic that is about the sexual reproduction in Spirogyra. In that, we are going to study about the lateral conjugation of Spirogyra. So first let us see the identification characters. It takes place between two adjacent cells of single filament, so called monoecious conjugation. In indirect lateral conjugation, papillae arise on either side of the septum, lies between two cells of filament. The papillae grow in size, curve towards each other, meet and fuse to form conjugation tube. The protoplasts of adjacent cells metamorphose into non-flagellate aplanogametes. The male gamete from upper cell passes through conjugation tube into lower cell. There it fuses with a female gamete to form diploid zygote. In direct lateral conjugation, usually conjugation occurs between two cells which lie next to hold the fast cell. Of two conjugating cells, upper cell acts as a male cell and the lower cell acts as a female cell. The lower cell increases in size whereas upper cell remains smaller. The protoplast of male and female cells metamorphose into aplanogametes. The male gamete, having a conical process, exerts a pressure on septum which is present between two cells. Finally, it bursts it through, which enters into a female cell and fuses with the female gamete, forming a zygote. In this way, this is the information about Spirogyra lateral conjugation. So here we have parts. So in a direct method,